Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Got on my first swing of this morning, you guys, in this very secluded place. I mean, y'all check this out, guys. Oh my goodness. Let's get a length for him and see how long he is. Wow. He's only 21, guys. Heartbreaker. Well, he ain't even 21. Hold on. He's like 20 and a half. 20 and a half, you guys. He's not quite long enough as I want. But hey. Makes a good video, guys. Check that out. It's a big girl. Let's go ahead and get her back in the water. Thank you, girl. I appreciate that. Got her on the... This is something that what I did. I actually took the chatterbait blade off, and I added some more stuff to it. And I took a Zoom lizard and I put up there for the legs and stuff. And man, I tell you, this thing, it works. I tell you, I like it. So let's see if we can get on another one right quick. Whoa! Oh, you guys, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It don't stop, guys. Look at there. It's got to be every bit 4.5 or 5 pounds. Got a mouthful of that. It's out. All right, guys, let's get this out. All right, let's see what we got. Let's get this big girl back in the water. Still ain't big enough. Second one. Woo! All right, let's try it again. All right, you guys, wouldn't you know it, Didn't even have the camera going, but y'all guys check this out. Look at this joker. 4.4 pounds. Look at the mouth on this guy. Okay, let's get him back in the water. Woo! Joker tried to bite me. Okay, swim jig. Let's do a short with this guy. Guys, whew. I had the GoPro off, charging. Got on wind mode. I'm gonna put them on the board, but I don't know. Hoping for that 23.5. That's what I'm hoping for. Got a mouthful of that jig in there. Let's see what he is. He only 18 and he ain't even 18 and a half. Shut your mouth, buddy. He 17 and a half. All right, buddy, let's get you back in the water. Thank you. Goodbye, buddy. Thank you. Appreciate it. He got a whole mouthful of swim jig. My goodness. What in the world have you done, buddy? Oh, okay, I see.